All right, here we go. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Now some folks use white vinegar and apple cider vinegar. I just use apple cider vinegar. And now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of North Carolina's own Texas Pete. Okay. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And now we're just going to kind of stir it around a little bit. You can also add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar if you'd like. Again, that's a very easy recipe. You can kind of make it your own. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a mason jar. And we're going to store this, or you can use it immediately. And that is it, guys. All right, guys, there you go. Hopefully everybody who's been asking, you're going to enjoy this recipe. Again, it is awesome. This is an Eastern North Carolina staple here for our barbecue. Recommend for, like, again, pork, chicken, whatever you want to use. It is awesome. So guys, until next time, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. God bless.